Is always they can go to departments or industries like medical or oil and gas, always evergreen field, and if there is automotive is good, they can go, otherwise they can take it up the other job. So these are all the various industry domains they can join and make a 3D model. They cannot make a 3D model from the air. They need to read and interpret, and they need to put. With our experience, we are finding very hard. The engineers, they don't know how to read this drawing. Unfortunately, the engineering drawing has been removed from the syllabus, or people are finding, I don't know, still it is there. People are learning CAD, but they forgot the fundamentally how to read and interpret the engineering drawing is a bigger challenge. If I ask any of your student who is going to see this video, if they can make a 3D model out of this, I'm very happy. But the student has to do the acid dipping for themselves. I'm going to show you 3 or 4 drawings. If they were able to read and interpret and make a 3D model, I'm very happy. But unfortunately, people, they don't know how to interpret and do that. That's a reality. Unless otherwise they are not improving the skill set, industries are not willing to take it up. Because we are looking forward, the engineers, they can add value from day one. But that gap, Kriatec LearnU is filling up. We are going to teach on our GD&T and engineering drawing interpretation, how to read this drawing step by battery, whatever I made it, it's a skill set. They need to know GD&T, they need to know new product development, picture design they should know CAM programming. It's not a one skill, they should have multiple skill. And the same way, 3D modeling is a basic among. When they want to go to quality, supply chain management, because supply chain management is again a very interesting area. They can, as I said, for everything basic, gateway is GD&T and might be a picture design, new product development process. So they can select vendors and they can choose whether these parts where they can manufacture. All this is very, very important, and those are all the skills which is missing from the student, because as a student they learn, it's like overall way, and they never go in deep. Tamil and English, for the people from rural background, they can learn it in an easy way. Our key motto is the student, if they undergo our not only one course, they need to undergo a couple of courses, because a skill, it's if they want to go to one department like quality, they need to get a couple of skill set, and same way R&D, couple of skill set, or if they want to go to production engineering, they need to get couple of skill set. For they can start ideally at 3rd year. Even in the 2nd year they can start attaining each skill set every 6 months, and when they go for interview stage, from the day one they can add value, and there is a good success rate. Sometimes our younger generation, they simply think whether I've taken mechanical is correct or IT is correct, they have a confusion. But we are telling to the kids that please, in 2nd year itself, you make up your mind which department you are going to join. Are you going to join with R&D? It's like everybody flooded. Same way, are you going to join with production? Are you going to join with supply chain management or quality control? Make it clear on 2nd year itself. Then make your plan accordingly. Then undergo our courses. Not only, it's very important today, the student have a clear goal, and when they come out of the college, in the final year itself, now industries are encouraging internship. Even we also take a lot of internship people. So they can join and they can add value. And when they come for internship, they need to add value.